小明找到一个山洞，他对着山洞大声说：“有人吗？”有一把声音回他：“呜！”然后小明被火车撞死了。
Today we have a story about 声音. Sheng and yin, they both mean sound, but they're a bit different. Different how? We'll see. This is a story of how Sheng Yin become friends. 10,000 years ago, Sheng and Yin were enemies because they both think they represent all the sounds in the world. Every time they fight about it, it's all noise. Oh my god. Dude, look at you. How come you become so bold? You're actually bolder than last year, you know? Get a toupee, would you? And what is that mask all about? Are you trying to be a ninja turtle or what? You're not even a turtle, you know that? I think a hat might be good for you. Well, or a Vogue magazine. Why that face? Well, I'm not judging you. No, you look not very stylish. Why don't you talk? You're weird. Finally, the children in this neighborhood gather around and say, "Are we done here?" You talk too much. You don't even have a face. You're a vocal cord. You can't make music. And you, stupid face, you're bored without a voice. You two are perfect together. Voices and music, they make all sounds in the world. From then on, things start to change. The end.